Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today I have an in the post for you. This is in the post number 43 and it's concentrating on a set of coins from the British Antarctic Territories. I've already shown you one which is the Mars, but we have the Glacier series back. And the second coin that came out in that series, let me just... was Mercury. There is the Mercury coin. It's a £2 BAT. They are limited to 1,950. So that is the second one in the series. We've already seen the Mars one. There's Mercury. I'm not sure which was the next one to come out. I think it was Saturn. I think Saturn was the next one, which is this coin here. And as you can see on each of them, you have a depiction of the god of the planet god. So that's Saturn. Again, the mintage is 1950, as with all the coins are. The next one, I believe, in the series was Neptune, and this is Neptune, the big blue planet, or one of the big blue planets. Again, the mintage is 1950, and finally the latest one in the series, which is Uranus. Now, there hasn't been one, as far as I know, for Venus as yet. I don't know if they're taking them in alphabetical order or not, but there certainly hasn't been one for, as I said, there hasn't been one for Venus. There hasn't been one yet for Pluto. That's 4, 5, 6, 7. Earth is 8. I can't see there being one for Earth, and I don't think there might not be one for Pluto, because I'm not. They keep changing their mind. Is Pluto is it actually a planet, or is it a very large asteroid? Planetoid, I think they call them. So we don't know. I can't see Earth being involved because it is not a celestial body away from us here on Earth. So that would then leave 7 or 8, and so far they've had 5, and I know Venus is 1. Don't know whether Pluto will be 1. The Earth I don't think will be 1. So that's the 3 others. So there may be one other coin left in Venus. Not sure whether Pluto will be a coin or not. So don't know about that. Then the last 2 are bullion coins from the Royal Mint. The first one is a 2023 Britannia. It's the Charles III one, not the Queen Elizabeth one. I think I've still got to get the 2023 Queen Elizabeth one. But there's the Royal Arms. The other one that I got this time round is the Royal Arms. Again, a 2023 one. I do like this particular coin. It's basically the Royal Arms that you'd have seen on the £1 coins, and it looks very lovely on there in the silver. Again, it's a 1 ounce silver bullion coin. So we have the Royal Arms. Whoops. We have a Britannia. I'll put them both back in their boxes. And we have 4 of the 5 so far from the £2 Glacier series from the British Antarctic Territories. As I said, there's 9, supposedly there's 9 planets in our solar system. They've done 5 so far. Are they going to have the Earth? I would have thought unlikely, as we're on that celestial body, and I'm not sure there is a God for the Earth, apart from the one that created it, of course, if you believe that, all of that. There is also, the only one that's missing that I know of is Venus. That would then take us up to, what, there's 4, 5, 6 with Venus, 7 with the Earth, but I can't see that happening. Is there going to be Pluto, which would be 8? And what's the one that's missing? Is it one of the gas giants? Uranus, Neptune, Saturn, Mars we've already had, Mercury, Venus. I'm not sure there's another one missing. So I'm expecting certainly one for Venus, and possibly one more for, possibly one for Pluto. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you look across the top, there are 6 planets. If you look across the very top there, there's just 6 planets, which I would presume would be Venus, Mercury, Mars, Saturn, Jupiter. Is Jupiter there yet? So we've got Jupiter and Venus are the two planets that are missing. Earth, I don't think will have one, and I'm not sure whether Pluto will. But that will give us the 6 coins. There's 4, 5, 7 coins. Sorry, there should be 7 coins, shouldn't there, if there's one for each planet. You've got the 4 here, plus Mercury, plus Mars, sorry, so that's 5. Venus missing 6, Jupiter missing 7, the Earth is the 8th, and the 9th one in the solar system is Pluto. Now, I don't see one being issued for the Earth, because it doesn't have its own god that Earth people followed at any one point in the past. And Pluto has been downgraded from a planet to a planetoid, if I remember rightly, so I don't know whether that will have one. So I think minimum of 2, possibly 3 are still left in this series. Finally worked it out. So if you've enjoyed this particular video, can you please give me the thumbs up? It doesn't cost you anything. And if you haven't done already, and you believe I deserve it, can you please give me a subscribe? I am trying to get to 200 by the end of this year. Sorry, 250 by the end of this year. I currently have 196. It is the 12th of August today, and time is getting on a little bit. So I'm hoping to hit 250 by the end of this year. That's my target. To do that, I do a minimum of 4 and usually 5 videos a week. So if you haven't yet subscribed and you've thought about it in the past, could you please do so, if you believe I deserve it. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, before we leave, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching and bye bye. Ta-da now.